Hey guys, so today let's talk about indexing problems. So if you creating new websites or new pages, then of course you want to make sure that these pages are getting indexed really fast or as fast as possible. And I want to show you a really cool trick or a really cool service. So for example, let's create a new page. So we have, of course, two different options here. So let me real quick create a new page. So a demo page. Come on. So let's name this page test 1 2 3. Then I write a little bit of content. Oh, great. Then let's click on publish this page. And let's say this page is a really important page, a product page that has to be indexed real fast. Then we have here two different options. So let me view the page. Here you can see this is the page. And then, of course, you can copy the page, go to your Google Search Console, and then on top you have the inspect tool. Then we can, or we could paste the URL in here, and then you can see URL is not on Google. Then we could click here on request indexing. So then we tell Google that we want this URL exists and that we want to have this URL getting indexed. But Google is not the fastest in indexing, because when we click here on submit, then our URL will get sent to a queue, and this takes time. This takes 1-2 days, or even takes weeks to get indexed. And there is a really good trick. So let me show you. We want to use a service called OmegaIndexer, and this tool is really cool. I use this tool for years now to index web pages really fast. So here you can see how it works. So you can create a campaign. So of course, first of all, you have to register here. And then if you register, then you have to buy credits, but they are really cheap. And if you start a new campaign or submit a URL, then this is relatively cheap. So per URL, it's about 1 cent or something like this. So, but then you have to create a new campaign. Then in this campaign, you can add your links, and then you select the drip feed, how many URLs should be submitted per day, and then you click on submit, and then the campaign runs. So this tool is really good. I use this for years now and for different campaigns. So I already have an account. Here you can see my account. You can see live indexers, or the bots of 430 bots are active right now. Then total links I produced this year, I think. Then links submitted, links in queue. So right now I don't have any links in the queue, and campaigns and my credits left. So then let me show you. So for example, I created here a new LinkedIn post, and this works with every website. So it doesn't have to be your own blog. You can submit and index LinkedIn post, Facebook post, everything you can imagine, Reddit threads, Reddit posts, everything you can imagine. And here is the link. So then I will get the link to this article, and let me go here and let me type in site and this LinkedIn URL. Now you can see this LinkedIn URL is not indexed. Google didn't know that this website or this post exists. And of course we want to speed this up. So, and in this case, LinkedIn, I don't have any other chance than use OmegaIndexer, because I don't have access. I cannot submit URLs via the Google Search Console. And for this I have to use the Omega indexer, and let me show you. I can go to my dashboard or go to my campaigns. Here's the campaign overview. So here you can see I use this for client websites. These are German websites, but here you can see I already well, here's a LinkedIn URL. Let me click here to show you. So this is indexed already. You can see the Google bot IP number or IP address, the name of the Google bot, and then the time that was submitted, drip feed, and so on and so on. And also we can check the index status when I click here. So I submitted this new URL, this new post on LinkedIn yesterday, and when I click on check index, then we can see, yeah, it's already indexed. So you can see this was created 13 hours ago, and yeah, this indexing tool is really fast, and yeah, I really love this tool. So, and to index this, we go here and then we go to new. So we can give this a name. LinkedIn, for example, new article, for example, then drip feed per day. So we don't want to spam this. We want to leave this on 1. And here you can see you can submit files. So if you can copy your complete sitemap, for example, save it as an TXT file or as an Excel document, or you can copy the links and paste the links manually here. So you can see links 1 per line, and then let me paste our link in here. So this is the LinkedIn article URL. So of course I could paste in more, but for this campaign I only have this one URL link. And then yeah, all you have to do is yeah, click on submit, and then yeah, the indexing process will start. You can see complete 0%. You can stop this campaign, you can delete this campaign, and I also can click here to get more infos about the campaign. And also you can see here this message link appear on search engine results within 7 to 15 days. And yeah, like I showed you in this case here, this tool indexed our new page, our new index, our new page, our new article in yeah, a few hours. So of course it depends on the bot, but yeah, here you can see right now this campaign is submitted. Google bot IP is in queue, Google bot name, time submitted. So right now it's not submitted. The Google response is processing, and yeah, this is how it works. And this tool is, yeah, really cool. So you can speed up the process really fast. You can submit every URL you want. If you wrote a new article in LinkedIn, in Reddit, in everything. And yeah, this is what I want to show you. So the link to the tool is in the video description down below if you want to try this. And yeah, you have to buy credits here. You can buy credits for example, $10 US, and this will last you a long time. So every submitted link is, I think, 1 cent or something like this. So this is really cheap, and $10 US in credits will last you forever. So yeah, make sure to check it out and create an account here. And then this tool is really good and really helps you with indexing your articles, your blog posts, your websites. And yeah, so that's it for this video, I think. If you have any questions, then please let me know in the comments down below. If you found this article or this video helpful, then please press the thumbs up button. This would really help me. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also support me on Patreon. You will find all the links in the video description down below. And then, yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.